Hi, today we are in BMW and I'm going to show you how to reset your tire pressure monitoring system after you make sure that the pressure is okay, that the pressure is correct in all four tires. And there are two ways to do it. If you have the iDrive system like we have here in BMW X1 E84, you go to the setting, to the vehicle information screen, vehicle status, and over here you have flat tire monitor and the confirm tire pressure. The first one shows you if anything is wrong. It will show you which tire has the low pressure and where you should put your attention. And after you make sure that the pressure is correct, you go to this position, confirm tire pressure, you press OK, and after a few miles the unit will learn how the correct pressure tire is behaving, and based on that it will detect next time if the pressure gets low. Okay, but that's in the car with the iDrive system. What about cars without the iDrive, when you have to do it in the instrument cluster? Okay, here we have BMW 1 Series E87. We don't have the screen, we have a nice little compartment over here instead of the iDrive system, which was optional. And we want to reset tire pressure using the instrument cluster. So we are grabbing on the left stalk, using the up down to find the reset position, and then confirm with the BC button like that. And the tire pressure sensor is reset. It will now learn the correct behavior of all wheels, and based on that behavior it will detect pressure drops in the future. I forgot to add that your car has to be parked and with the ignition turned on or the engine turned on. If you are driving, you cannot reset your tire pressure monitoring system, so you have to stop and leave the ignition on to do it. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if this video helped you, and check my other tutorials for more BMW and other brand tutorials. See you soon.